Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. This video is made especially for Reno 15 Pro Max users. Today we will talk about sound not working issue if there is no audio from your phone. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for more useful videos. Now let's begin.